Are you ready to transform your body and boost your confidence? Discover the secrets to a successful weightlifting journey. Warming up in proper form are your foundation. Always start with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up to prepare your muscles and prevent injuries. For most exercises, you want to keep your back straight and engage your core. A neutral spine is crucial for effective and safe weightlifting. Control each movement deliberately. Avoid using momentum to lift weights, as it can lead to poor form and injuries. Master your breathing. Exhale during exertion and inhale during relaxation to maintain stability and control. Start with lighter weights to perfect your technique before gradually increasing the load. Proper form is more important than heavy weights. As a beginner, focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These work multiple muscle groups simultaneously for maximum efficiency. Progress safely by following a structured program. Gradually increase the weight, reps, or sets to challenge your muscles. Listen to your body and incorporate rest days. Recovery is essential for muscle growth and preventing overtraining. Stay consistent and seek professional guidance if needed. Celebrate your achievements and keep pushing forward. Your strength journey starts now.